Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Walden. We are going to read another story. We're going to read Zinnia's Flower Garden. Okay, we've been learning a lot about flowers and plants and trees and science. So we're going to take a look today about a story all about a flower garden. So this story is by Monica Wellington. Ooh, she's got some seeds in her hand. And we actually planted a sunflower seed. If you haven't watched that yet, we're going to plant a sunflower seed. We got our table of contents to tell us, because remember there's more than one story in some of these texts. Ooh. Where is she going? What's that called? She's going to the garden? What do you think she's going to do at the garden? She's got some tools there. She's got a wheelbarrow. Okay, let's read, find out. Spring has arrived. Zinnia is getting her garden ready for planting. She digs up the soil and turns it over with her shovel. She takes out stones and rakes the dirt smooth. The warm sun feels good as she works. Lots of tools. Look at all those tools that are around our page. Zinnia carefully plants many kinds of flower seeds in rows. She covers the seeds with dirt and pats it all down very gently. She sprinkles the ground with water. You can see all of our tools. We've got her journal entry. It says May 3rd, very busy planting my seeds today. Such hard work. Let's look at the different seeds. If you look closely, there it is, okay? You can see the different types of seeds. Look how they look different. We've been talking about that in science as well. There are aster seeds, sweet pea seeds, black-eyed Susan seeds, cosmo seeds. Zinnia waits for the seeds to sprout. The seeds need the sun to shine, the rain to fall, and many days to pass. It is hard to wait so long for her seeds to grow. May 12th. Rain all day. But it is good for my garden. There's some more tools she's got. Every day, Zinnia checks her garden to see if anything has happened. Look, the first seedling is poking its way up through the dirt. May 20th, my first sprout today. Wow! And we can see those different parts of the plant. Seed, seedling, the sprout. We're learning all about that in science. Now Zinnia's garden is full of green sprouts growing toward the sun. Little stems grow taller. Little leaves get bigger. Little roots burrow deeper into the earth. May 29th. Lots of sprouts now. I can't even count them all. Look how happy she is. And we can see those different sprouts at the top of the page. How they're growing up towards the sun. Why are they growing up towards the sun? Do you remember why? Because they need sunlight to grow, don't they? They need sunlight, so they're going to reach out. Remember those leaves? They get the sunlight for photosynthesis so that it can give nutrients to the plant, right? So those leaves are going to reach up to that sun. Zinnia takes care of her garden every day. When the sun is hot and the soil is dry, she waters her thirsty plants. June 17th, no rain for a week. My garden is so dry. And one of the things that we know that plants need is water. She pulls up pesky weeds that try to crowd out her plants. She inspects them for greedy bugs. She measures how tall her strong and healthy plants are growing. Every day they get bigger and bigger. July 7th, my sunflower plants are so tall. I hate weeds. Look how tall they're getting. Ooh, what is that plant, that insect right there? We learned all about that bug, didn't we? The ladybug. First thing in the morning, Zinnia runs out to check her garden. She is excited to see little buds growing on many of her flowers. July 18th, my zinnias have buds. I wonder what color they're going to be. Remember, a bud is right before it blooms, the flower blooms, right? So we can see in the picture those buds. We've also got the life cycle of a butterfly, right? The life cycle of the butterfly. Pretty. And then at last, she finds what she has been waiting for. The first flower. One bud has bloomed. How beautiful. And what a sweet smell. There are many more buds that will open soon. Look how pretty. Do you guys have any flowers that are blooming at your house? There's the parts. Beautiful. The garden grows and grows with blossoming flowers. Zinnia paints reeds and picnics among them. Butterflies flutter, bees buzz. Zinnia's garden is her favorite place to be on these warm summer days. August 11th. I love my garden. You can see her painting and reading, picnicking. Her flowers are abundant, which means that there's a lot of them. And Zinnia cuts some to arrange. So Zinnia cuts them to arrange into bouquets. The fragrant scents of the flowers swirl around her in the warm breeze. See her bouquet of flowers? Look at all those different flowers. They're so beautiful. Which one's your favorite? I really like the sunflowers. I like the sunflowers because they grow very, very tall. And I also like to eat sunflower seeds. Which one was your favorite? Why did you like it? One hot summer day, Zinnia has a lemonade stand and puts up a sign. Pick your own flowers. Customers come and gather bunches of flowers and drop money in her jar. Don't forget to smell the flowers. August 28th, busy today. At my stand, everyone loves my flowers. In the autumn, as it gets colder, Zinnia picks the last flowers from her garden. She finds ripe seeds that have formed. They are ready to be collected. She will save them to plant next year. October 13th, lots of seeds. I'll leave some for the birds. Remember we talked about those animals that eat the seeds, right? And they spread them around. The birds are one of the animals that eat the seeds. And we also see squirrels, right? Squirrels eat the seeds, the acorns. The winter days are short, the sun is dim, and the ground is covered with snow. But Zinnia is already planning next year's garden. When spring comes, she will be ready to grow her very own flowers again. December 27th. I can't wait until spring. And it shows our cycle of our flower, right? Seeds, the seedling, the sprout, right? The bud, the flower, the adult plant. And we're going to stop right there. Thumbs up if you like that story. I like that story because it really, really matches what we're learning right now. So I'm super excited. And look out for a new story. We're going to be coming with you more.